Shop Talk. We're looking at the McCulloch Pro Mac 800 chainsaw, 5 cubic inch, very popular saw for larger firewood cutting, some logging applications. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain. That's a sprocket nose bar. And that is a skip chisel bit chain. Skip is a sequence between the teeth. We have some spacing there, you can see. And the motor pulls a lot easier when you're running this skip tooth chain, and it cuts very well, very fast. We'll take a look at some of the features this saw has. Has the kill switch right in the middle. Has a throttle lock. Squeeze the trigger and press down the operator presence lever and then pull back on that little thumb notch right there. Locks the throttle quarter. Has an automatic and manual oiler. Manual oiler's right here, a thumb pump. You can give that an extra squirt or two if you get into some pitchy, dirty wood. Choke's on the right hand side there, the blue button. Just pull it out. Wrap handlebars, very popular. And it's got the large falling spike. And to adjust the tension on this saw, loosen the two bar nuts up right here. And your tensioner's right on the side, very easy to get at. Very clean, very nice running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.